For Inside EVs, Kia has revealed its most powerful three-row SUV, the 2026 Kia EV9 GT. It features a dual-motor setup producing 510 horsepower, making it 122 horsepower stronger than the EV9 GT-Line. The EV9 GT accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.3 seconds, faster by 0.7 seconds compared to the GT-Line. The SUV introduces virtual gear shifts, mimicking traditional gear changes with simulated jolts and sound effects. It also includes electronically controlled suspension with adjustable modes like Normal, Eco, Sport, and My Drive. Larger front brake rotors and an electronic limited slip differential enhance performance. The EV9 GT retains a 5,000-pound towing capacity and 7.8-inch ground clearance. It uses the same 99.8 kWh battery as other long-range EV9 versions, though range and charging speed specifics are not disclosed. For reference, the EV9 GT-Line offers 270 miles of range and supports DC fast charging up to 235 kilowatts. Starting next year, all EV9 models, including the GT, will feature Tesla's NACS charging port, allowing direct access to Tesla's Supercharger network. An adapter will be required for CCS fast chargers. Production of the EV9 GT will begin in South Korea, with sales expected in the latter half of 2025. Pricing has yet to be announced. You are listening to Yuan News.